everyone, and hello friend. Good evening. So everyone, now I wanna look for plastic. Halo geng, sehat sih dah. Lanjut lah. Tutup sih dah jadi. Yes, now I wanna look for plastic for put piece now because I'm pick up Abah from fishing, so Abah get me fish, guys. So now I wanna bring to my home for my mother. Be leleh mata nama me, be kelas me, be kelas. Enggak be kaca me dah. Tahu. Gabung na jasit no. I'm worried now, guys, because nothing plastic, and I hope now not turn the rain. So because I wanna go home. Be mulai anda lo, makam dia belajar. Nenek, haji puasa kah? Oh, benar. Sopan, Raja Luang. Hah? Kami belajar.
Datang masuk beneran. Sibuk di kantornya.
Sigor, namanya nih. Oh, pegang kan? Nenek gaji puasa. Astagfirullahaladzim, ya kan? Oh, now the rain is turned, guys. So now I hope the rain not turn. Now I wanna warm up my motorcycle. now guys, I'm worried because I'm worried maybe I'm not go home because now the rain is turned. Apa mempesona apa. Now I hope this rain is not turn guys. Now I wanna go home. So now I'm prayer to Allah Subhanahu wa Ta'ala for this rain stop turn guys. Oh guys, so I pick up Abah to Tanjung guys, and I'm help Abah for turn item for fishing and fish from perahu, and I am go home, but I'm not driving, so driving Yadet and everyone. So after I'm in school, I'm help Yadet for clean all item stuff from car. I'm washing the car, and Yadet washing the item joran, grill and other. So everyone, after I'm finished to clean, I'm Yadet give me fish guys, and now I wanna bring this fish go home because my mother wanna fish guys. So I wanna go home and I'm give my mother this fish, and maybe I'm sleep in home and I'm come back in tomorrow guys, maybe, but I don't know. But I think now I wanna sleep in my home, not in school guys. Maybe in the morning I'm come back to here. and everyone. I'm come back in the morning, so I wanna come back in tomorrow in morning, guys. So everyone, now I'm very tired because a lot of working. So I'm start from washing the car and washing item piecing. So I'm very tired, guys, and I'm have me added to oil, grill, and joran and other, guys. So now I'm very tired, but because because my mother wanna fish, if Abba fishing, so I think now I wanna bring this fish and go home, guys. Mempesona. Okay, guys, now in today this day 46 from a segment vlog. So now I make vlog until day 60, and maybe a few days later, maybe in 14 day, after that I'm not make vlog, guys. And I hope all of you always follow my account, my channel and YouTube. So I hope all of you happy for my content, my vlog, and I hope all of you and now I'm thank you so much, and maybe a lot of mistake in speak, and I'm sorry, guys. Okay, thank you so much for watching my video, and see you next time.